Good morning, children. Today I am going to start online classes for standard 10 and 12. Now for 10th standard I am going to start chapter number 3. Exercise first sum I have taken today for a trial class. This is only trial class. Tell your suggestions. If you want any plus minus, you can add or subtract. Whatever may be your suggestions, always welcome. So, first sum of today's trial class is exercise 3.1, sum number 1, first subdivision. Question is very simple. It is solve the linear equations. Given three equations, these three equations. Question is solve these three equations. That's all. Here I have written only the answer. If you want, you can write solve first equation, this is second equation, this is third equation. That is the question. Now I will start with the solution. For solving these three equations will be given in three unknowns: x, y, z. X, y, z. Similarly, second equation, third equation. So this is a solving linear equations in three unknowns. So number of equations and number of unknowns are equal, then only we can solve. So the first point, we have to write the three equations one by one. Call it as equation 1, 2, 3. The given equations are, first equation is called 1, second equation is number 2, third equation is number 3. So I am going to start solving first equation and second equation. This is my choice. While going for so many tests, even you can have some other also. For example, equation 1 and 3 also somebody will take. So that one we will see after 1 or 2 months. After practice, even you will think it by your own. Now I have taken equation number 1 and 2. First equation is x plus y plus z equal to 5. Second equation is 2x minus y plus z equal to 9. Why I have chosen equation 1 and 2, that is two equations. Here three equations given in three unknowns. I am going to make it two equations in two unknowns. You see equation number 4 and equation number 5. These two equations 4 and 5 are given, that is we got in two unknowns only, x and z. So what is the first step? Three unknowns, three equations. I am reducing into two equations in two unknowns. What is it? Three equations in three unknowns into two equations in two unknowns. So for that one, first equation I am writing as it is, second equation I am writing as it is. Here I am eliminating y. Why I chosen this is depending on the question you can choose. Here coefficient of y are equal but opposite sign. So if you add, easily you can eliminate. So I chosen y. Eliminating y. This is possible only adding equation 1 and 2. So here x plus 2x becomes 3x. Y eliminated, that is we cancelled y. Z plus z, 1z plus 1z becomes 2z. That is equal to 5 plus 9 is 14. This is equation number 4. This fourth equation is in two variables x and z. Now I am going to take equation number 2 and 3. Solving equation 2 and 3, I want to eliminate again y only. If you have a chance of eliminating x or z, you should not choose. You have to take only y because we already eliminated y. So I want to make it y coefficients equal. Then only addition or subtraction, whatever it may be, if the coefficients are equal, these two, that is called y, we can eliminate, y term we can eliminate. So for that one, I am checking the coefficient. Now in equation number 2, coefficient of y is minus 1. In equation number 3, coefficient of y is minus 2. So if we have here 2, we can have same coefficient. So I need here 2. That means I want to multiply equation number 2 by 2. Multiplying equation number 2 into 2, which implies here 2 into 2 x, 4x, minus 2 into y, minus 2y, plus 2 into z, 2z, equal to 9 into 2, 18. Third equation I am writing as it is. Equation number 3 implies x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 16. Now you see the coefficient of y, minus 2, here also minus 2. So if I need opposite sign, then only it will cancel. So that means I am subtracting the two equations. But here I added, because here the coefficients are in opposite sign. Here coefficients are in same sign. So I am subtracting. Here plus, change its sign, minus. Minus means plus. Plus means minus. Here plus means minus. Now 4x minus x. 4x minus x is 3x. Minus 2y plus 2y get cancelled. Plus 2z minus 3z minus z equal to 18 minus 16. The answer is 2. This is called equation number 5. So now solving equation 4 and 5, you will get x and z. So I am going to consider equation number 4 and 5. So equation number 4 and 5, we have to check the coefficients. See here the coefficient of 4 and 5 is here 3x, here also 3x. Here 2z, here is minus z. Here 3x, here also 3x. So if you subtract this x, get cancelled. But what I did is, coefficient of z I have made equal. So here 2z, here is minus z. I need here 2. So I am multiplying equation number 5 into 2. So equation number 4 implies 3x plus 2z equal to 14. Equation number 5 into 2 gives 6x minus 2z equal to 2 into 2 is 4. Now you see here is plus 2z, here is minus 2z. So we can cancel. So that is I am adding. Here subtracting, that's why I am changing the sign. But here I am adding because here the coefficient of z containing opposite sign. So adding these two get cancelled. 3x plus 6x becomes 9x equal to 14 plus 4 equal to 18. So x equal to 18 by 9, that is equal to 2. Okay. See here. So we got here x value as 2. So now you see, one may take coefficient of x here 3x, here also 3x. We can eliminate x because coefficients are equal. So in that case, you can calculate the value of z. So z value, what you are getting in this step, z equal to 4 will come here. That is, you can calculate z equal to 4 here. After z equal to 4, you can calculate x equal to 2 here. But what I have taken is, I cancelled z, that is I eliminated z. I got the value x. Substitute that value of x in either 4 or 5. I have chosen 5. Substitute x equal to 2 in 5. 3 into x. X is nothing but 2 minus z, that is equal to 2. So 3 into 2 is 6 minus z equal to 2, which implies I want to find out z. So this is minus z, make it to that side, minus z becomes plus z. We want to change sign. 2 you made it, that is you make it in the left hand side, 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 equal to z. So z equal to 6 minus 2 is 4. So two variables, that is x value 2, z equal to 4, we got it. These two values substitute in the first equation, that is x plus y plus z equal to 5. Substitute in equation number 1. So you will get x value is 2 plus y value is unknown, z value is 4 equal to 5. So y 4 plus 2 is 6 equal to 5, or y equal to 5 minus 6, because plus 6 if you make it you will get minus 6. So y equal to 5 minus 6, that is y equal to minus 1. See once again, I am substituting x is equal to 2 in equation number 5. We get equation number 5 is, you see, equation number 5 is 3x minus z equal to 2. Okay. So you will get 3 into 2 minus z equal to 2. Okay. So 6 minus z equal to 2 implies 6 this side plus 2, make it in the left hand side, you will get minus 2. 6 minus 2 equal to minus z becomes plus z. So z equal to 4. So we got the value of z, that is already we got x value, z value. Both you substitute in equation number 1. Substitute x equal to 2 and z equal to 4 in equation number 1. We get, see, our first equation is nothing but x plus y plus z equal to 5. So substitute it, x equal to 2 plus, we don't know y, keep as it is, plus z value is 4, substitute it, equal to 5. So y plus 4 plus 2 is 6 equal to 5, y equal to 5 minus 6, the answer is minus 1. So we got x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 4. This is the solution. So final line we have to write, solution is x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1, z is equal to 4. So the question is solve. Solve means we should find out the value of unknowns x, y, z. We got the value for x, y, z as 2 minus 1, 4. That is a solution, that's all. Thank you children. This is my trial class. So tell your suggestion. First I will send you the material in WhatsApp group, that you write it in the classwork note. Then you see the video. If you cannot understand first time, you go for the second time, then again third time, do it. This is just like a spot test. How you are going to prepare for spot test, you have to start and do it in a rough note, because you are writing one, you are copying from WhatsApp into your from WhatsApp to notebook, classwork note. Second thing, you have to write, because it is a calculation, plus minus, definitely everybody will get confused. So better you have to write separately. Do it while learning. You have to do it by using the rough note and correct by yourself. After completing one exercise, I will give you the test. Thank you children. Tell your suggestion. If it is speed or whatever it may be, just inform me. Then we will go for the next. Thank you.